Hey everyone, I'm back. I'm back with another video. Today I will be guiding you through each step for the filing of EAD, that is the Employment Authorization Document for the post-completion OPT on the USCIS website. This is a crucial step for someone who will be graduating in the near future or someone who want to begin working in the US. Let's dive right in. First, we need to go to USCIS one I-765 application. Then there are forms available to find online. Then click on sign in and create an account. So basically, if you want to create an account, then give the email ID that you want. Confirmation email will be sent. So this is a confirmation email. You need to click this. Then you need to read this. This is very long, so skipping this part. And you need to click I agree. Then set a password that is strong. So you can put a strong password or it will not let you log in. So I am putting a strong password. So I have save your password for future references. Then I have selected a two-step verification method, that is an email. Then click submit. You will get a security code. So this is the security code and I have logged in. So this will be a backup code. Print this so that you can use it in future. Then press continue. You will be given 5 questions. As a security question, you can set anything. I am giving dummy details for now. You can give proper details. This is only for a demo purpose. Finish. Remember this. And now, so this, select that option, and then I am an individual applicant, petitioner, requester or supporter. Select this, click submit. Then it will redirect to that page. So here you need to click file a form online. So here basically there will be I-765 application for employment authorization. This is student post completion OPT, that is 3B. Start form. So read this before if you want. I have already filled my details, so I have hands-on now. So this is the eligibility, F1 student, pre-completion, post-completion. This is the OPT details, temporary protected status, and fee as well. So previously the fee was less, now it's increased to $470. And documents you may need is Form I-94. If you had last EAD, then that front and back. A color passport style photograph of yourself taken recently. Biometrics, skip that. And you can track your case online. Receive your decision within the time frame. Then click next. So this will help you save a lot of time. So you need to, if you do not work on your application for more than 30 days, it will delete your data. So yeah. So what is your eligibility criteria? It's student post completion OPT. Would you like to request premium processing service? Select no. Then click yes. Next. What is the reason for applying? Initial permission to accept employment. So it's the first time you are applying the EAD, so you need to select this option. Have you previously filed form I-765? No. If someone assisting with you completing this application, if yes, then it will ask for more details. If no, then go forward. Next, select a random name, John Kumar. Have you used any other names? If you have used, select yes, it will ask for other details, or else no. Then click on next. Some telephone number, I will give random number. You use your number there, and you can use the option as this. If you have both the same numbers, or if you have two different numbers, then you can enter both the details. So I have like the random number, I selected this. And be careful of filling this address because your like the EAD card will arrive on this address, so basically be careful and make sure that you have your name on the list so that you have a name on your post box as well. So John Kumar, put your address, some random address, Boston 02120. So if your current mailing address is same as your physical address, then click yes. If no, then you will be asked for more details to enter. So I'm clicking yes to save time. Then next, what is your gender? My gender is male. So there are only two genders, please be careful. What is your marital status? It's single. If you are married, divorced or widowed, you can enter these options as well. City of birth, so I'm writing like Mumbai. State of birth, Maharashtra. What is your country of birth? India. And some random details. 12 2000. This is the birth date, so I am putting random details. What is the country of citizenship or nationality? That is where you citizens of. I am a citizen of India, so I am writing India. What is your form I-94 arrival departure record number? So it's basically your I-94 number that will be present on the I-94 website. So please go there. So get most recent ID. So here you will be asked for details. So enter these details and get your I-94. So basically I am entering a random number. It will be at the start of the I-94. So please be careful while entering this because if you put wrong details, then your EAD must get produced wrongly. So yeah, please be careful. Enter. Please cross verify your details that you are entering. When did you last arrive? So your arrival date will be present on the I-94. And I am entering random details. Place of arrival. So I recently arrived at the Boston airport. So Logan, like, or anywhere you write it, suppose Albany or anything. So there will be status written on your I-94. So please enter that. And what is the passport number of your most recently issued passport? So the passport number you need to enter it here. You can I am entering random details. This is not necessary. You will not have any travel document number. You enter this carefully, and please enter like the expiration date of the travel document. What country issued your passport or travel document? So mine was from India, so I'm doing it India. What is your current immigration status or category? That's F1. So basically it will be F1 student academic or language program. So this is the SEVIS ID. SEVIS ID will be mentioned in your I-20. I-20 at the top of I-20 SEVIS ID will be mentioned. So it will be like a 10, 11 or 12 digit SEVIS number. Then I will enter this details as well. And click next. What is your A number? So please select I do not have or know my A number. What is your USCIS online account number? This also you will not know. Has the Social Security Administrator ever officially issued a Social Security card to you? If you have worked on campus or you got a co-op at Northeastern University, then obviously you will have your SSN with you. Then click yes. Enter details. If you don't have, then please no. I have the details, so yes. Do you want, so if you don't have the social security card with you, then you can press no. And then do you want the SSA to issue your social security card? Yes. So this will be a consent. I authorize disclosure of information from this application to the SSA as required for the purpose. Yes. So it will ask for all the details. So I have a social security number, so I'm not filling this, skipping this part. Next. So for this you can upload a recently taken photo. I think it's better to take a new photo. Go to CVS if you can. There will be Photoshop centers there. If you want to save time, then there is this website called visaphoto.com, where you can upload your photo, like very not a great photo. You can like take a photo from your phone, upload and select that US employment authorization, upload, continue. Then it will ask for $9 of payment, I think. So you can select the photo and then some 9 odd dollars to convert it to visa, like the I-765 application. So you can drop it here as well. So I am uploading a random document. I think it will not take it. So if the photo does not meet requirements, then it will not ask again and again. So I have basically uploaded this photo, but I'm clicking next. So previously, as I showed, visaphoto.com, it will give you a 2x2 photo for the EAD. This is the I-94. I-94 document is present on the website of I-94. Get most recent I-94 document. Then you can select this as well. And select Form I-94. Next, this is the EAD or government ID. So you don't have your EAD with you, so you can upload a government ID. So I uploaded my mass ID here. You can upload yours as well, because you will not have your EAD with you. If you have your EAD, then if you have previously applied a EAD, then you can apply it here. Then previously authorized CPT or OPT. So basically here you enter your CPT form. So this is for the CPT if you have done your co-op previously. If not, you can skip this part. If not, you can upload a OPT I-20 here. This is I-20 certificate of eligibility for non-immigrant student status. So this will be provided by the college that it takes 15 days from Northeastern University. So you can upload this file as well. That's the OPT I-20. Form I-20. Then click on next. This is not needed. This is just an additional information. If you have some errors in your documents or anything, you can state it there. Then click next. So this form filing fee is $470. It has been increased by $60, I think, and it was previously $410. So there are errors. Obviously there will be errors. I'll check. So make sure you have this, and just forgot to tell you that please sign your OPT and CPT I-20. It's better for you, so that your request doesn't get cancelled. So make sure that your OPT I-20 and the CPT I-20 is signed. Then click on next. So verify all the details that you entered. Check all the details that you entered, whether it's wrong or right, because you don't want your another $470 to be wasted. Then click on next. Application statement, please select this. It's like you have read everything and it's correct. Then this will be declaration and certification. If you want to read the above as well, you can. So it will now ask you to pay $470, without which it will not go forward. So pay and submit option, click on pay and submit. So there will be two options. One is the bank account where you can do wireless transfer, and the second is debit or credit card. If you have a debit or credit card, it is very good, so that you can earn a little cashback as well. Then you can press continue. It will ask for all the details, your name, everything, your name, cardholder, billing address, select country, postal code, card number, all the details. Then press continue, and that's how you, and keep your tracking ID handy with you, and that's how you file the USCIS I-765, that is the EAD document for OPT. Thanks guys. And that's it. By following the steps, you have successfully filed for your OPT EAD. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And just a quick tip, please make sure that your information is accurate in the form. If you are not putting right information, then you will be reapplying the OPT EAD, which will cost you another $470. To save money, don't make errors. Thanks for watching and good luck for your OPT process.